Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Bing Hobby. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. This is DeFi Bully. Bring you another baked beans video. I can't wait. Look. All right, boom. I'm gonna just keep it 100,000 with you guys. All y'all people worrying about the contract balance, worrying about the market, worrying about this. These things happen. This is the world. Unpredictable things happen. All these stuff happen. Why y'all stressing it? I don't know. I do not know why y'all stressing it. Matter of fact, what I want you guys to do is to head over to the YouTube channel. Yes, do just like this. Open up YouTube, type DeFi Bully. Okay? Damn, I spelled that shit wrong. Sorry about that. Type in DeFi Bully. Just like this. You heard me? What the hell is going on? Sorry about that, people. Enter DeFi Bully. Go over to the page. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button because you know I'm about to bring that content. And that notification bell because DeFi is time sensitive. Now, people, let's just get back to the topic at hand. The people complaining about the contract balance. Let's take a look at the contract balance that they're complaining about. They really complaining about a contract balance that's over $3 million. Is this the contract balance that people are complaining about? Now, hold on. Another thing. Let me take a look at the Telegram group. Let's hit. Oh, damn. Oh, is that Steph Curry with the... Yes. Shout out to the Western Conference Finals. Hey. All right, hold on. Let's take a look at this. To everyone that is having a hard time understanding what's happening around the world and that is affecting us all, here is a basic explanation and update to what we have going on and what we have going and what we have coming. It's just a matter of the TVL dipping due to the FUD campaign against us. They talking about all these YouTubers that's talking about baked beans a scam. Don't believe it. Don't believe the effery. Don't believe the free. Excuse my language. Don't believe the nonsense. Don't believe the FUD campaign. Because that's what it is. They have people out here in the world that's trying to scare you out of the bag. Okay? They've been due to the FUD campaign run against us. Combined with the marketing manipulation that has been happening across multiple platforms. The Great Purge of 2022. Markets are down worldwide. BNB value has gone down quite a bit, as well as applying to the rewards effects. This is the game of inflation and compounding. Rebaking as often as possible will garnish you the best rewards in the long run. So compounding constantly will give you the best rewards in the long run, because if it's down and you compound, you're creating a better place for yourself. You're putting yourself in a better position. Okay, people, if you think you are earning rewards, you are. Just because rewards have dropped, you are earning slower doesn't mean you aren't earning. Come on, people, let's be logical. The reward section of the DApp only shows 0.00000 if you of your rewards. So say you're earning 0.0005, you won't see it, but they are there. Okay, so what they're pretty much saying is, even if it shows 0.30s, you are earning because it's not showing the other points after the 3 zeros. Okay, people? Does that make sense? Is this camera on me? Let me make sure. Is this camera on me? Y'all hear me? Because the rewards are being made. Don't be fooled by the FUD. Okay, people? Because they are there. Where was I? Where did I leave off at? The contract can't operate differently for any of our users. It only operates in one way for everyone. We have a massive marketing campaign ready to go, and we are just waiting for the marketing conditions to be appropriate to pull the trigger and to make sure that everything is done in the best way possible to benefit our long-term holders and community members that realize that this is a long-term passive income project that continues to develop and expand into new platforms and new concepts that we're constantly working on. All right, these are words of the people of the Baked Beans Miner. These words are Crypto Kratos. These are words for Juiced and everybody else that's involved. We have plenty we are working on in the background, and we have no intentions of slowing down in creating a safe and trusted platform for our users. We're continuing to do the soft marketing that we can afford to do during these down times and have no intentions of slowing down. Thank you. Okay? Just for that, let me drop a fireball for y'all. Let me drop a fireball for the team because I believe the team and I love the team. We've been around since November of 2021, people. I don't want to hold y'all up and like make y'all think that NASA's promoting this and DeFi Bully is doing that. This is something that's proven itself, okay? And if we take a look at, let me take a look. If we take a look at sorry, yeah, if we take a look at Monarch, that app, we can see without doubt. Hurry up and load up. I don't want to keep my people waiting. I don't want to keep my people waiting. We can see without doubt that Baked Beans is still $3.4 million. That's wild. That is wild. And we actually reached a point where it's starting to level off a little bit. It's 191 days, people. Show me a miner that lasted 191 days besides that, besides the BNB miner, okay? Which doesn't have, let me see if I can find a BNB miner just to show you guys the competition that we're dealing with. I'm gonna feel like looking for this shit. All right, wait, there we go. BNB miner, 545,000. $545,000 is in it, compared to 3.4 million. Which one would you rather be in? Which one would you rather be in? Okay, let's pull up this Baked Beans one time. Put up the Baked Beans one time. Okay, although the markets is down, everything is down, everything is crashing. And maybe you want to put some money in Luna. Maybe you want to do this. Maybe you want to do that. I don't want to like deter you or make you feel like, should I? No, this shit is working. Right now I got about like 0.167. And because the markets is down, this is about like $50 worth of beans. I'm going to go ahead and eat these beans. I'm just playing. I'm going to go ahead and rebate these beans. Because I gotta stay true to the team. Let's eat these beans. Let's eat these beans. All right, people, let's eat these beans. And look what happens. I'm sorry, I keep saying eat these beans. Let's rebate these beans because this is the best miner ever. Let's rebate these beans, people. All right, so now that we rebate the beans, let me just refresh the page one time. You see I had 309. Now I got 443 million beans. 443 million beans. That means I'm going to be making more than I was making yesterday. And like they said in the Telegram group, that compounding is your best option right now in these down times. The game of inflation and compounding, rebaking as often as possible will garnish you the best rewards in the long run. Do you guys see that? I just compounded my rewards because I know that tomorrow is going to give me more rewards than it did yesterday or it did today. So we got to do what we got to do for the team and support the team and the ways that we got to do to support the team. That's Baked Beans. It's been around. It earned me a lot of money. And to be honest, I still recommend a lot of people to Baked Beans. I still do it to this day. To this day! To this day! I don't want to get deterred, but let's take a quick look at Let's take a quick look at Toasted Avax. Let me just open that up for y'all. Which is another miner with the same devs behind it, the Baked Beans team. As you know, I cover videos on all of these things. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this, people. All right. Right now I got 0.432 Avax, which it shouldn't be that much, but it should be about, let's open up coin market cap and go down to the conversion. If you're on your mobile, let's say conversion, I believe. And I believe we're at 0.432, which is about 14.50, almost $15. Okay. We're going to go ahead and retoast those as well. I love the whole ecosystem. I'm going to make sure I do what I could do to support as little as it may be. I've been letting these pile up. Although the conditions are small, I've been letting my rewards pile up so that we could be ahead of the game. Now, these projects, this Toasted Avax pays 5% daily. Baybeans pays out 8% daily. And these are ways that we could get away from these structures of the world, the rat race, the circle, the hand to mouth, if you may, the daily waking up, going to work, coming back, going, you know what I mean, and getting stuck in that cycle. These are ways of passive income. These are ways that we gotta really stand behind and stay true to. So right now I'm starting a new strategy with my baked beans and my toasted Avax, because I have some other little projects going on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue retoasting these for as long as possible. It might sound crazy, but I'm gonna just retoast these as long as possible. I haven't ROI'd yet on toasted Avax, simply because the market conditions and everything like that. And I have taken profits, but I have not ROI'd as yet. I haven't made my money back as yet. But with baked beans, I made my money back about like 5 times already. Okay. So with that, I would definitely, and with this as well, because they're the same team, I will continue to rebake and retoast. And because I really have confidence that the contract balance will stabilize and start growing in the near future, especially when a marketing campaign kicks off, people. Y'all don't want to be one of those people that are like, man, I should have been compounding right now. It would have been lit. No, I'm taking full advantage of this right now. Okay, people. All right, and toasted Avax, if we used to take a look at the snowtrace.io, right now we're over 200,000, 7,000 Avax. You know, when Avax jump back up, which it will, this would double instantly. It depends how you want to look at these markets. If you're thinking about investing in Luna and these other things, you should be thinking the same thing with Avax and BNB. BNB's normal price is around like 400. Last month it was like 420, 430, around that. And Avax, if you look at Avax right now, Avax is at let's see. Avax is at 30. Whoa, that surprised me. Avax is at $33. So if you're somebody that understand these markets and know that these prices would jump back up, Avax was at $100 last month, not even a month ago. See, $80 a month ago. Let's take a look. $146 over the past year. If we were to go here, we can actually see for ourselves. If we look at a 3-month chart, it was over $100 at the end of March. It's at $100 at the end of March. Over $100 at the end of March. In April. In the beginning of April, it was over $100. So if you're somebody that understands how these markets work and things fluctuate, the volatility of these tokens and such, you understand the power of these miners and these platforms. These things will actually continue to go up. And if you were like, if you're compounding, you're earning the same. If you're earning the rewards over time, you wouldn't even realize, like, whoa, I got this much Avax. And when Avax hit back 100 and even hit a new all-time high, like 150, 200, and these numbers, you'll be pretty good. You'll be glad that you made these decisions of retoasting and rebaking in these tokens. All right, people. Join the Telegram group is down below. As the Bullpen Millionaires, I don't want to keep up too much of y'all time. I want to make this one short and sweet. Somebody told me that my video has been getting too long. I want to keep these short and sweet for the people. Okay, hit that like button because you know your boy brought that content. I retoast, I rebake, I retoast, I rebake, I retoast, I rebake. Okay. because I'm getting that back in the back end. You heard me. I'm gonna keep this nice, short, and sweet. But just remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.